treat. You're welcome. Are you kidding me right now? Are you joking with me? I asked for normal peanuts. They're sold out. Disgusting. Why do these peanuts look like someone vomited on them? Hey, in the bright side, I've been told these are real nice. You might like it. Ugh, fine. I'll give it a try, just because I'm hungry, okay? Hey, if you don't like them, I won't get them for you next time. Hey, it was pretty good actually. Nice. Wait, why do I keep laughing?
Hi, Kate.
Hi, Kate. Keet and Wing. Is it my face? You big meanie!
Good. How dare you treat my sister like that?
But Keet, I'm not trying to laugh at her.
Stop whining. I know you tried to bully her for no reason.
Yeah, I need to hide. I know, I'll hide in this hole. So no one can hear me laughing. Woo!
Hey Keet, have you been nice today?
No.
What? Why?
Because Kate make fun of Wing.
There is absolutely no reason to treat her like that.
So what?
You need to take out the trash right now. This will teach you a lesson.
Oh, come on! I don't want her to take out the trash. I want to be aware of that stupid thing where well, look at me, I'm going to take out the trash because I've made fun of Kate. I hate this job so much, I wish it never exists again. Ooh. Did you miss that one? Oh my god, you make me... Oh, I had to chill out because it's just a job. Hey bird, don't forget to bring all rubbish up to the trash. There, I am done, and look, it's getting late. Hey bird, one more favor. What about you bring a lot of rubbishes and throw it at Kate? That is it! What are you doing? Great, let me explain. No, let me explain. He forced me to do his job because of that. They didn't even do anything. He's the one who bullied me. Do you really think I did that? I was forced to do a lot of rubbishes in the trash. I didn't even do anything at once.
Oh my gosh, Keet. You are telling the truth of all time. Camazotz, why do you think blaming innocent birds is funny?
Because it is.
Camazotz, it's not nice to do something like that. That's it. I will force you to do 5 jobs in 24 hours. This will teach you even better lesson.
Fine, I will do these invisible jobs of life. I like that, but this one is terrible.
I agree. Is Kate feeling better? I hope so.
Oh my gosh! I no longer laughing for no reason after I had the great peanut for like 11 hours. Wait, what about apologise to Keet and Wing? Hey Wing, I just wanted to say that I'm sorry for what I did to you earlier. Can you please forgive me? No! I'm the one who should say sorry to you. What? But I thought I was the only one who should say sorry to you. I was about to, but Skip told me to apologize to you instead. So yeah, I'm sorry for not realizing that you had green peanuts, which are pretty dangerous for you. since it only make you laugh. Will you forgive me, please? Yes, I will forgive you, sis. Wait, where's Keet? I wanted to apologize to him too. Oh, Keet, don't worry. I've already told him about what Skip said. Oh, that's great. I think I have to go now. Goodbye. Goodbye, too.